Here's my 1976 Chevy Luv. Yeah, I got a little small block in it. Toward the tranny yet. It's winter. Thought it's time to do a little rebuild, so pulled her into the old G-Rise here. Yeah, that's right. Little tag is alright. Bunch of cheap shit in here coming soon. See? Better. Couple stickers I got here. I mean, if you can figure that out, you let me know. Yeah. That's my little jewels. The back half. Okay. Little stock for now. Not bad, not bad. Alright, come on. Little ATV there. And then too much crap in the way. Gonna do that this weekend. It's fucking Tuesday. Well, a little sticker for a friend of mine. Always used to say that about his pickup truck. So, just about a little less than you. Good one. Oh, my little nickname. Call me a little wet neck. Yeah, that'd be me, yeah, that's me. Yes, sir. Just a little small block. Cut the hood of a extra hood. There's my factory, matching blue. Didn't want to cut it. Some asshole already put holes in it for dang whatchamacallit. Hood ornament. So I cut that one. Got the Griffin radiator. A little 14-inch fan or so. 650 Holly. MSD HEI. Some headers. Got them out of the paste. Not paste, but Powered by Ace. Yep, old Rob on the lovetruck.com. Give me some headers and the mounts. Yes, sir. Send me my bobber. Oh, my daughter's Cadillac. Gotta enjoy that little thing crammed in here now. I'm gonna rearrange this weekend. And then my little ATV I've had for a while. Little Mojave I built. Yep, that's her. Honey. This is her now. Under construction, Jackson. Under construction. Leave you with that right there. That's what I'm talking about. Back up. There we go.